All right, Porky Pie. So here's what I got, buddy. It's kind of a new old construction, new construction site. So this is what they come up. You got to figure out how to deal with this. So that's the rough grade, right? So we got to come in and rip that down and get them in a finished grade. This is old landscape left behind. So we're gonna gut all that, gut all that, gut all that, start fresh. So we'll bring in our Caterpillar with a Harley rake. It's like a giant rake, basically. Get all that. Let's see what we got. Turf area. So this is new. So we'll put some kind of a little dry creek bed in there to keep up the runoff. Some rock. So here's a nice open field. They just tore down a barber shop or some nonsense. This is good old Granite City. All right, so we're gonna have to bore under this concrete to send our irrigation pipes through, rip all that out, start fresh, put boulders in between these. Actually, I'll use this for myself too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 boulders. There. That all goes. Hit all that up. So yeah, that's what a old new construction site's like on landscaping. So we'll see how this comes out. You can actually, Porky Pie, if you want, go to my, I think I got a YouTube video. I don't use it for anything but designs of what the proposed landscape design would be for this building. So it might make a little sense if you go that route, brother. Anyway, irrigation pipe with its wire right there. So another fun thing is the water meter is way over there. We got to get under that concrete into this turf area, then from that turf area over across here. Whoop whoop. Let the good times roll.